Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make AI as easy as possible. We always come across Stable Diffusion, right? Now we'll know it. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Also, if you're looking for a Stable Diffusion tutorial, you're in the right place. Then we'll dive into Stable Diffusion 3. For sure, your whole body will tremble, your brain will explode, and you will definitely be blown away if you learn that. Stable Diffusion 3 is revolutionizing the world of generative art and AI. It offers enhanced capabilities for text-to-image synthesis. Easy to install and use, making it accessible for both beginners and experts. Understanding Stable Diffusion 3 can elevate your generative art game, and understanding diffusion models is crucial for advanced image synthesis. There are those who are overly curious and like to pry, and there are also those who don't seem to bother much. The question is, what can we gain from this? So, what exactly is Stable Diffusion? Imagine you're trying to spread butter on toast, but the toast is a bit wobbly. Stable Diffusion is like finding the perfect technique to spread that butter evenly without making a mess. Got it. Great! Imagine you have a magic paintbrush that can create beautiful pictures just by following your instructions. You tell it what you want, and it paints it for you. This magic paintbrush is what we call Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is a super smart computer program that can create images from text descriptions. You type in what you want to see, like a sunset over the mountains, and it generates a picture of that scene. It's like having an artist friend who can draw anything you describe, but instead of using pencils and paper, it uses complex math and computer algorithms. Stable Diffusion is a cutting-edge deep learning model designed for generating high-quality images from textual descriptions. Developed by Stability AI and released in 2022, it is an open-source text-to-image diffusion model that represents a significant advancement in artificial intelligence image generation. Stable Diffusion is a technique in generative AI that transforms random noise into coherent images through a series of refinement steps. Here's a simple way to understand how it works. When you give it a text prompt, it's like asking the student to paint a picture based on your description. The process starts with a blank canvas filled with random noise, like TV static, and gradually refines it into a clear image step by step. The learning process. Think of Stable Diffusion as a student who has studied a massive art book filled with images and their descriptions. This student has memorized how different words relate to visual elements. The creation process. When you give Stable Diffusion a text prompt, it's like asking this student to paint a picture based on your description. The process starts with a blank canvas filled with random noise, like TV static, and gradually refines it into a clear image, step by step. The AI doesn't actually copy existing images, but rather uses its understanding of how words relate to visual concepts to create something new. The magic behind the scenes. 1. Starting with noise. The process begins with a canvas of random static, like an old TV with no signal. 2. Gradual refinement. The AI then slowly transforms this noise into an image bit by bit. It's like watching a Polaroid photo develop, but in reverse. 3. Smart guessing. At each step, the AI looks at the partially formed image and makes educated guesses about what should be there based on your description. 4. Fine-tuning. As the process continues, the image becomes clearer and more detailed, just like an artist adding final touches to a painting. The stable in Stable Diffusion refers to how it manages this process efficiently, allowing it to run on regular computers instead of needing supercomputers. In essence, Stable Diffusion is like having a hyper-intelligent, lightning-fast artist at your fingertips, ready to bring your imagination to life through images. Latent space magic. To work faster, it compresses images into a simplified form called latent space, like squeezing a sponge to make it more compact. Just go ahead and check it out. What's the worst that could happen, right? Don't be a chicken. Now about Stable Diffusion 3. Stable Diffusion has gone through several versions or upgrades, each one improving on the last. Think of it like smartphone models. Each new version brings better features and performance. Stable Diffusion 3 is the latest and greatest version of this magic paintbrush. It's like upgrading from a basic crayon set to a professional artist's toolkit, bringing improvements in image quality, understanding text prompts, and generating more diverse and accurate results. Stable Diffusion 3 has several improvements. Better understanding. It can understand more complex instructions or prompts, more realistic and detailed images. The pictures it creates look more lifelike and detailed. Improved handling of things like faces, hands, and text in images. Faster generation times, it works quicker so you don't have to wait long for your masterpiece. Oh, buckle up. If you don't get this, you could be staring at a pile of gold. And there you are, thinking it's just some fancy compliment. Stable Diffusion 1 was like a talented high school art student, Stable Diffusion 3 is more like a professional artist with years of experience and better tools at their disposal. Stable Diffusion Level 3 is like the secret sauce in your grandma's recipe. It takes your generative art from meh to wow. If you're knee-deep in the world of artistic AI, you know that mastering this technique is a game changer. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, understanding the nuances of Level 3 can make your work stand out in the crowded AI art space. The seamless integration of machine learning in Stable Diffusion Level 3 opens up new possibilities for artists and content creators alike. Remember, this technology is constantly evolving, so we can expect even more impressive capabilities in future versions. Stable Diffusion 3 is the latest iteration in the series of diffusion models that have taken the AI world by storm. If you thought Stable Diffusion 2 was impressive, wait until you see what this version can do. Imagine a Picasso painting itself, but with the precision of a Swiss watchmaker. This model is designed to push the boundaries of generative art, making it a hot topic in AI news. What can we learn from this? This version is not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. With improved algorithms and enhanced machine learning capabilities, Stable Diffusion 3 offers more accurate and detailed image generation. Whether you're into computer vision or just a fan of artistic AI, this model has something for everyone. It's like having a magic wand that turns text into stunning visuals. Isn't it great? But let's not forget that as it is called, it is just artificial intelligence after all. It still relies on the data it is fed. It's like a parrot, only as good as the data it mimics. If the data is inaccurate, the output will also be inaccurate. Artificial intelligence is no match for natural stupidity. Nothing beats good old human ingenuity, common sense, practicality, and most of all, feeling. How to install Stable Diffusion 3. Installing Stable Diffusion 3 is easier than assembling IKEA furniture, and you won't even need an Allen wrench. First, head over to the official website and download the installation package. Follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be up and running in no time. For those who prefer a step-by-step guide, there are plenty of Stable Diffusion tutorials available online. You can learn more about Diffusion 3 the easy way in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on our next adventure into the world of AI. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious and keep learning while having fun. Open up your mind and further enrich your understanding of well-researched knowledge, which is the foundation of true wisdom. Remember, it's crucial to stay updated in your chosen field to ensure success.